The Epson PowerLite L735U is designed for those who need a projector that can handle large spaces without compromising image quality. Its long throw capabilities allow placement at significant distances from the screen while still delivering sharp, bright visuals. Whether it's a corporate presentation, classroom lecture, or a home theater setup, this projector adapts to your space and provides professional-level performance. At the heart of the L735U is Epson's 3LCD technology. This ensures accurate, vibrant colors with no rainbow effect, a common issue in single-chip projectors. Every slide, photo, or video appears natural and true to life. The 16:10 aspect ratio is another advantage, offering more vertical space than the typical 16:9. This extra height is perfect for spreadsheets, documents, or cinematic content where additional detail matters. Brightness is a standout feature. With 4,000 lumens for both color and white brightness, this projector performs exceptionally well even in rooms with ambient light. It's powerful enough to maintain clear visuals without having to dim the lights, which is essential for professional or educational environments. Images remain crisp, detailed, and highly visible, giving presentations and videos an impressive edge. Installation is straightforward, and ceiling mounting is fully supported. The projector accommodates a variety of throw distances, so exact positioning is flexible. With vertical and horizontal keystone correction, it's easy to achieve a perfectly aligned image even if the projector isn't precisely centered, saving time during setup. Connectivity options make this projector extremely versatile. It supports HDMI, VGA, and USB inputs, so it can work with laptops, PCs, and media players without the need for additional adapters. This makes it ideal for offices or classrooms where multiple devices may need to connect. Maintenance is minimal, thanks to the long-lasting laser light source, which is rated for up to 20,000 hours. Laser technology also maintains brightness over time, unlike traditional lamp projectors that dim as they age. Combined with low-maintenance filters, the L735U is built for hassle-free long-term operation. The projector's image quality is remarkable. Text is sharp and easy to read, making it excellent for presentations. Videos and movies come to life with natural color reproduction and smooth motion handling. Skin tones are accurate, colors are vibrant, and every frame feels polished and immersive. Even with high output, fan noise is minimal. Epson's cooling system is optimized for quiet operation, ensuring that the audio from movies or presentations remains clear and uninterrupted. This attention to detail makes a difference in environments where focus is essential. Versatility is another key strength. The L735U performs equally well in offices, classrooms, auditoriums, and home theaters. Its combination of brightness, long throw capability, and high-resolution visuals ensures no compromises on image size or quality. In summary, the Epson PowerLite L735U balances professional-grade performance with user-friendly operation. Setup is simple, connectivity is flexible, maintenance is minimal, and image quality is consistently excellent. This projector is perfect for professionals, educators, or home theater enthusiasts who want reliable, long-lasting, and bright projection. For anyone looking for a dependable long-throw projector with clear, vivid visuals, the Epson PowerLite L735U offers an ideal combination of brightness, versatility, and low-maintenance design. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this projector and elevate any presentation or viewing experience.